So again, our options are Rapunzel, Belle, Little Mermaid, Cinderella. This is for the 35, oh my goodness. This is 30. Can you get out of the bag, please? Ooh. Malt. Oh, Jasmine. Did I say Jasmine? Malt. There's stuff in this bag. Give me my bag. I will give it to you in a minute. Let go. Stop. Thank you. No. My bag. You can take any other bag here. There's a whole... Stop. No. I don't want you eating these ones. Look it. Here. Take the ones with the bubble wrap. There you go. Okay. There's also Jafar, Dr. Facilier, Cruella. You stop! Malt. Lockets. Stop. You two were asleep.